Hi, today we're going to talk about the WZB-SMG02. It is part of the ZigBee Wireless Solutions Network. The WZB-SMG02 can be used in entranceways where the security must be monitored. Now we're going to talk about the WZB-SMG02 in Quick View. So you click out, go to Quick View, and we're DIO number 6, and we start polling. Do you want to key an ID name? No. And here you can see that we're number, the date, the time, and number 6. If you open it, there will be an alarm. If you close it, everything will go back to normal. And if you close it, open again, there's going to be an alarm. So this is a magnetic reed switch that you can put on your door. So if we stop this, click out, go to computer, C drive, NHR Quick View, port 4, DIO, and the Excel sheet. As you can see, there's a number, the date, the time, and the number of our magnetic reed switch. As you can see, there's no alarm, and then when we pulled it apart, there's an alarm, then it reset, and then an alarm, and then it reset again. So you can see that the magnetic reed switch is very good. So that concludes our demonstration of the WZB-SMG02.